The three most expensive items currently owned by Tom Cruise. The price of the last one is insane. Number 3, Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. Tom Cruise arrived at the premiere of Mission Impossible 3 in this magnificent car. The Bugatti Veyron Super Sport set him back a whopping $2 million. With its 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, it can achieve a maximum speed of 258 miles per hour, electronically limited to prevent the tires from disintegrating. Number 2, Florida Penthouse. Cruise's Florida Penthouse, located at the Skyview in Clearwater, spans the top 2 floors of the building. It features 4 bedrooms, a gym, a game room, and a home theater. Outside, there's a roof deck with an infinity pool, hot tub, gardens, and a bar. Tom's Clearwater home also includes a private garage with a car elevator. Cost? Around $10 million. But before revealing the top spot, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Number 1, Gulfstream G450 private jet. The most expensive item currently owned by Tom Cruise is his Gulfstream G450 private jet. Valued at approximately $39 million, it provides luxury and convenience for his travel needs. This aircraft, powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Tay 611-8C engines, can reach an altitude of 45,000 feet and comfortably carry 19 passengers and 2 crew members.